Number 23 to number 24. Setting up a screen. Bump, spins, kick, inside the basket, blocked by number 14. Number 24, has the ball. Ready for three. No good. Rebounded by MMS. Last play opportunity. Number 5. Ground for the ball. Kick ball. They still have the ball. Number 15. Number 0. Back to number 14. For 3. Bounces. Listen. Rebounded by MBHS. Pass break opportunity. Missed. But they still have the rebound. To number 8. Floater. No good. Nagagawa sa rebound ng mga team. To number 24. Fakes. 7 seconds remaining in the shot clock. To number 23. Back to number 24. Setting up a screen. Stolen by MMS. Pass break opportunity. Number 40 carrying the ball. Layup is good for number 14. Number 11 forward floater. Missed. Ayun. 22. Fakes. Layup. Missed. Who has the ball now? For 3, number 15. No good. Got the rebound, number 8. MBHS has the ball now. Bombs, floater, bounces, and it's in for number 24. To number 22, open, will he take it? Miss. Pwede for the rebound. MBHS has the ball now. Long 3. Bang! Number 24. Nag-iinit talaga. Number 14. Intercepted by number 24. Layup! Miss! Number 17 for 3. Bang! For their second 3 points this quarter. To number 27, stolen. And then has the ball now. Rabi Hasan. Number 24. For another long three. Bang! Nagkapoy. Number 14. So number 22 for another 3. No good. Number 24 has the ball now. What will he do? Will he take another 3? Inside, reverse layup, no good. MMS has the ball now. Number 14, dribbling, almost lose it. Stolen, no. Fighting for the ball, possession. Jump ball. MMS ball possession. Number 81. Directing the traffic. Number 23. 10 seconds remaining in their shot clock. What will they do? Number 5. Number 14. 3 seconds. Floater layup. No good, but they still have the rebound. Fighting for the ball. Number 27 floater. No good. Number 27 another floater. There's foul. First free throw is good. Tabla na laban. Tabla na nga ang laban, partner. Intense na dito. Okay, nabakwin nilang kalamakan. Ito sila ng isa. Ano nang gagawin ng MBHS?
Big pressure naman ba?
Setting up a screen. Block. MMS. Pass break opportunity. Number 81. To number 14 for another layup. It's good. Number 11 has the ball now. To number 34. Double team. Stolen by number 81. Up and layup. It's good. To number 81. NBA Chess has the ball now. What will they do? Crossover. Inside. They miss it. MMS. Driving. Layup. It's good. Grabe, sunod-sunod naman ang layup. Timeout. Ang NBA Chess. NBA Chess has the ball possession. So number 26. Directing the traffic, setting up a screen, number 11. Taking. Inside the basket, layup, to a follow-up. Pass for number 23. Free throw. This is the free throw. Rebounded by MMS. Number 14 has the ball now. Directing the traffic. Number 11. To the wing. Number 5. To number 11. Kick out. Drives. Floater. Bounces. It's good. MBHS has the ball now. To number 26. What will they do? 10 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Layup! Miss it. Rebounded by MMS. Number 81. Driving bombs. Wow.
Good call, rep! Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Go, bawi.
They up by 10. What will MBHS do? Inside the basket, layup, miss it.
Go, go, go! Yes, right there!
Number 14, drives, miss it. 3 minutes remaining in our second quarter. MBHS has the ball now. Loader, bounce, miss. Fighting for the rebound. Number 27. Almost intercepted. And number 81. Follow up. Number 5. Nice assist by number 81. Number 9 has the ball now. Setting up a play. Number 26. Dribbling. Looking for an opening. For 3. Miss it. Fighting for the rebound. Okay. For another long 3. Miss it. MMS. Setting up a play. Number 11. Stolen by number 24. Driving straight to the basket. Layup is good. So number 24. It's over, number 81. Kick out. Back. Inside. Stolen. MBHS. Driving. They still have the rebound. Number 19 to number 26 for number 3. No good. MMS. Number 81. Driving. Rebound. They still have the rebound. Number 5. Number 24. Spins. Layup. No good. But they still have the rebound. Back to number 24 for 3. Bang!
Last 1 minute for this quarter.
Ilang 3 na yun? Number 81 for MMS. The number 15. Number 5. Fighting for the ball. Number 11 has the ball. Will they take it? For 3. No good. Miss the pass break opportunity.
Ay ha, sa makalitsyon ha. Litsyon ha, makabibip ka
Number
dyan.
11 to number 81. Back to number 11. Inside the basket. Stolen by number 6. Layup for number 9. Made it. Assisted by number 26. 15 seconds remaining. MMS. Driving straight to the basket, floater. No good. 7 seconds remaining. Number 94. What do we do? Driving. Follow up. Miss it. And that's the end of our first half. Our score, partner? 33-14.